What's good, y'all? You PJ Maxx here. It's been a hot minute, but I still been sticking to it. I still been grinding. The grind never stops. It's an everyday grind. See, this is how it is, man. You start realizing that the lives everybody lives, it, these redundant ways of life. It's like you start seeing it. A lot of people choose to live certain lifestyles, and they choose to stay out of shape, or they choose to live street life, or they choose to practice whatever ideology or thing they want to believe in or think of. It's a choice. It's all a choice. At the end of the day, it's all a choice. Doesn't matter where you were raised up or brought up. It's all a choice. It's the pressure of the world, temptations, the things of this world that a lot of people don't understand because they don't want to have their eyes open, you know. With that those stressors, the pressure, the hardships, the downs in life. That's what changes somebody. That's what determines whether somebody's weak or whether somebody's strong. You know, it's a mindset. You know, you change your thinking, you change your world. You know, and the stressors change you. You know. So you can choose to be lazy, you can choose to not do anything in your life, you can choose to stay mediocre, or you can say, hold up, I'm gonna choose to do something different. You know? It's the pressure, man. You can either buckle down under pressure or you can buckle up. Now, I don't know, but I used to be like everybody else, like a lot of people that I see. I used to buckle down under pressure, but I started to really buckle up under pressure though. I've been really picking myself up, and that's the thing you're supposed to do, y'all. Don't buckle down. Don't buckle down. Buckle up. Everybody wants to get depressed and stressed. No. Just get ready. Just get ready for whatever thing that might hit you. And then be ready to fight back. To fight back and bounce back up. Buckle up, you know? And get right. Always get right. Don't ever stop trying to get right. It's that fight or flight response. You know? I've been trying to stay consistent with it, y'all. I think I'm about to start find another jiu-jitsu gym and then start that training. But yeah, we'll see. I'll catch you on the flip side. Subscribe.